going to work with telling time to the nearest minute on an analog clock, and we'll be able to write the time in word form. Using an analog clock, notice how the numbers on the clock go from 1 to 12. Each of those numbers is a 5-minute interval. It takes 5 minutes for the minute hand to move from one number to the next number on the clock. Let's count by fives together. Starting at the 1. 5, count with me, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. There are 60 minutes in 1 hour. The 60 is also 00 or o'clock because that's when a new hour starts. The hour, so let's take a look at this clock. The hour hand, which is the shorter hand right here, is it on or past the 10? What I'm going to do is use my pen to make the hour hand longer. I'm going to extend it out past the clock. I can see that the hour hand is a little bit past the 10. So the hour hand is past the 10. The minute hand tells us that it is blank minutes past the hour. The minute hand is the larger hand, the longer hand. I can see that it's pointing to the 2, but it's not 2 minutes because remember, each number on the clock is skip counting by fives. So if I start at 1 and go to 2, 1 is 5 minutes, and then 5 more minutes would be 10. So the minute hand tells us that it's 10 minutes past the hour. So this clock is showing 10, 10 as the time. Okay, pause the video and take out your clock. Once you have it, unpause the video. Point to each number with me and count by fives. Ready? Starting at the 1, count with me. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, or o'clock. Great job, everybody. Using your mini clock, show this time on your clock. The hour hand, is it on or past the number? Remember, the hour hand is the shortest hand. Is it on or past? I'm going to draw to extend my line of the hour hand so that I can see it more clearly. So I see that the hour hand is past the 10. It's not pointing directly at 10 or 11. It is past the 10. It's in between 10 and 11. When it's in between two numbers, we take a step back. We go backwards 1 space for the correct hour. Now let's take a look at the minute hand, our longer hand. The minute hand is pointing at the 8, but that's not 8 minutes. Pause the video and skip count by 5s until you have reached the 8 to figure out how many minutes is being shown on this clock. Did you get 40 minutes? If you did, you are correct. The minute hand is at 40 minutes past the hour. So the time is 10:40. Great job. Okay, now I would like you to show me on your clock, using your mini clock, copy the time that is shown on my clock. Pause the video while you do this. When you're done, unpause the video. What time does this clock say? Great job. It says 4:45.